How can I use image to text? The image to text tool is used to OCR an image into editable text. The image must have type verbiage to have a good conversion. Remember, the better quality the image, the better quality the result. Begin by clicking on the image to text tool on the left-hand menu. Click on Choose File. Select your file, and click Open. Select the reading language, which is the document language. Select the library folder where you want the OCR conversion to be stored. Be sure to click in the radio button to the left of Save as Editable Text. Give the OCR image a name. And click Start. Once your conversion is completed, it will reside in the location chosen. Let's look at an example. This image has the following words on it: notes, vocabulary, typing, taking notes with pictures, translate, word lookup, dictation. The name of this file is img_1713.jpg. Click on the image to text tool. Click on Choose File, and locate the file. Click Open. The reading language is American English, SOFI. Let's save it to the demo folder. Click in the radio circle to the left of Save as Editable Text. Scroll down and give the OCR image a name. Click Start. When the file has completed the OCR process, click on Go to your library. Locate the file. In our case, the file is in the folder Demo, and name Demo of Image to Text. Click on the file. Comparing the OCR conversion to the original image, we see it is entirely accurate. Please keep in mind that when the image is not of quality, neither will be the output of the image to text process. Using the image to text tool is a great way to convert your notes into editable text and store in a folder for your course and unit. Be sure to try it out.